Alright, here we are in example 2. We have Tyler and have mapped our locations for a game of manhunt. Tyler's position is represented by the point 2, -1. So here we got Tyler down here. Okay, and then we have another point, and at 7, 9. Each unit is equivalent to 100 feet. What's the approximate distance from Tyler to, so we want to find the distance between these 2 points. So we're going to do the same process we did last time. We're going to make it into a right triangle and then find the hypotenuse. Alright, now when I pick at the point, again, I'm coming down from here and I'm going to get to the same level as this point, and I'm going to put a point. Now what we're going to do is draw in the sides of the triangle, because again, we're making a right triangle out of this. Now again, typically we draw the 2 legs as solid lines, and then we put a dashed line for the hypotenuse, which is what we're finding. Now the distance for these, now we could, on these, since they're exactly on it, we could just count. Now, so I'm gonna do it that way this time. Now you can do the absolute value and take the difference, which is what we'll do when we actually go through the distance formula. But if we notice here, we count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm gonna say A is equal to 8, and then if I count over here, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so B would be 5. Now again, we could do like we did the last time, and we could take the difference and the absolute value of it. So if I was looking for A, it'd just be the difference in the Y values. Now the Y values, again, here would be 9 minus the Y value here, which is 1. Okay, and take the absolute value of it, so A is equal to 8. So we end up with 8 either way. And then the same process here, B is equal to the X value, so the X value here would be -7 minus -2. Okay, different signs, so it's going to end up being B is equal to the absolute value of -5, so B is equal to 5. So either way you feel more comfortable of, when you have a visual, it's fine. Okay, and so then what we're going to do is we're going to find the C value. Now the C value, A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. So we're going to take the 5, plug it in, the 8, and plug it in. So we end up with 8 squared plus 5 squared is equal to C squared. So we'll square this, get 64 plus 25 is equal to C squared. And then we would take the square root of both sides. Now when we do this, we end up with 9.4. Now C squared is equal to C is equal to 9.4. Now again, but we have to be careful. If you read back in the directions, it says each unit's worth 100. So we're going to take the 9.4 and multiply it times 100. So we end up with 940 feet is the distance between the 2 here.